beautiful, luxurious living room. Very nice, spacious looking kitchenette. So yes, this is the wow, beautiful, spacious look. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Falak and we are here today at the township of Brigade Orchards by Brigade Developers, which is located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. We are going to do its Tower Ivory sample flat tour. Well, we are going to know about the project a lot in detail. It is a 135 acres of township project and it has residential as well as commercial apartments as well. Well, before that, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that directly connects the customers with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, and what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is such a real estate platform that the listing is done directly by the developer. So, book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. Now talking about the project, Brigade Orchards by Brigade Developers located in Devanahalli, North Bangalore is going to be constructed on 135 acres of land parcel having commercial as well as residential spaces. And here at the back you can see it's a beautiful, spacious looking cricket ground. So like really nice for all the cricket lovers, we must say. And let me also tell you that the township is going to be having its own resort as well. So that's like a bonus for all the residents. And as well as today, we are going to be doing the Ivory Towers sample flat tour, which is going to be of ground plus 14 stories. But they also have towers which are ground plus 8 stories. And total there are going to be 11 plus towers. Every block is going to be having its own amenities, so that's really a great part as well. And it is in the lap of nature. The whole township is in the lap of nature. It has 80% of greenery and some towers also have an airport view. We are going to be doing its sample flat tour, but let me tell you that the township has villas. They have flats from 1 to 4.5 BHKs as well. Now talking about the location and connectivity, so Kempegowda International Airport from here is just a 15 to 20 minutes drive. Devanahalli railway station is around 15 to 20 minutes. All the malls are at an easy connectivity. Good hospitals, schools, colleges are just within a radius of 5 kilometers. KIADB Aerospace Park is also just 15 to 20 minutes drive from this project. So talking about the amenities, as I mentioned earlier, every block is going to be having its own amenities like swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, senior citizen area, multi-purpose courts, clubhouse amenities as well, and many more amenities. So yes, this is about the project. Now let's go and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So right now we are heading to the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Ivory, which is of 1131 square feet, but they also have flats in the range of 1 BHK and 3 BHK as well. So without any delay, let's get inside. So as we enter, this is the passage area that's been given. So passage area is really nice because it makes the house look spacious. And here we come to the beautiful, luxurious living room. It's a very nice, spacious looking living room. Here is the dining area. Here is the seating area, and here beautifully they've decorated it. So like you can, you can also decorate it and customize it as per your requirements and as per your needs. And here is the beautiful, spacious looking balcony. Wow, I mean quite spacious, right? Imagine like if you have taken a flat on the higher floor, so it's even more good because you can just enjoy the beautiful scenery in the lap of nature and just have a leisure time. Now let's get ahead and let's go to the kitchenette area. But before that, I want you to see this nice passage area over here, making the house look even more big and spacious. Now on our right hand side is the kitchenette area. Very nice, spacious looking kitchenette area. Granite platforms are there. Stainless steel sink is there. There is a separate place given for the washing machine as well. So I must say that this is like a really nice big spacious kitchen area, like to move around. This is really nice. And now I want you to see these these storage places, like the cabins for your storage, as well as here they have given a half sliding French window for your ventilation as well. And now let's go and move ahead to the bedrooms. Now here right opposite the kitchen is bedroom number 1. Nice cute looking bedroom. There is a space for the cupboard as well. They have actually made it like a kids room. Here, a study has been made. So this is obviously as per whoever is there in your house. You can just customize and make this as per your requirement. And on the right, obviously, there is a French sliding window that's been given. So that's really nice for ventilation as well. And now let's move ahead to bedroom number 2. This is the beautiful looking bedroom number 2. Here also a separate place has been given for the wardrobe. So like in every room basically there is a place for the wardrobe. So they are quite very spacious obviously. So that's really nice. And now right opposite to that is the washroom. Anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings have been given. A small window has been given for ventilation as well. So that's really nice. And also in the flat, vitrified tiling has been given. So that's really great obviously as well. And now we head to bedroom number 3, which is the master bedroom. But before that, do you know what does Housey do for us? Well, let me tell you that in Housey, you get to know the actual location tour. You get to know the sample flat tour as well. We give you 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, inclusive of EMI and down payment details. And we also let you know the pros and cons of every project. Like why is this project good for you? Why is this project not good for you? Why you should invest in a project? Why you should not invest in a project? And if after all of this, if you like the project, then in 3 simple clicks, you can do your site visit by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. And now let's go ahead and see the master bedroom. So as we enter, wow, there is a passage area here as well. So nothing is like really compact. Everything is like very luxury, very spacious over here. So yes, this is the wow, beautiful, spacious looking master bedroom. Very beautifully it's been made. This is just how beautifully you can make it for yourself as well. The sliding full French windows have been given over there. So that's really nice. Like a full French window makes the house, the room even more spacious. And yes, here there is a place for wardrobe as well. So that's really great. Here also there is a small window that's been, no small, actually it's quite a big window I must say, has been given here as well. So like, there is ample space for ventilation over here. And now let's go ahead and see the washroom. Before that, they have utilized this space as well for the dressing table kind of. So that's really nice. Every place has been utilized very well. This gives you an exact idea of how you can utilize the space as well. So now let's go and see the washroom. Anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings have been given. A window has been given. An exhaust fan has been given for ventilation. So quite a spacious washroom as per the master bedroom is what I think we can say. So yes, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Ivory Brigade Orchards by Brigade Developers located in Devanhalli, North Bangalore. How did you like the flat tour? Let us know in the comment section. Which more videos would you like to to see from us, also let us know in the comment section as well. If you like this project and if you want to download the e-brochure, you can just click on the link mentioned in the description. And if you want to do your site visit, you can just go and register yourself on Housey.com. And before going, you know the drill. Subscribe to Housey for more details, for more updates, and for more videos. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.
Any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.